Hi, lovely people. Welcome to Tell's Kitchen. So today I'll be making spaghetti. So the first thing, I'm going to boil my water, and then after it is boiled, I'm going to add my spaghetti and let it cook. So after I'm done boiling it, I'm going to fry my onions. I'll let my onions cook until they are golden brown. You see how they are looking so nice? Then I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'll then add my spices. I used curry powder, black pepper and salt. And let it cook. And later add my spaghetti, mix everything together, let it cook for a bit, and then here we have our spaghetti. Try the recipe and let me know. Bye.